paano mo maiiwasan yung paglipat mo from addiction to Lord para hindi ka maging self-righteous at magmata ng mga taong hindi naman.
Oo, imposing yung ano.
Oo.
Ako, it boils down to yung imahe ng Diyos sa isipan mo. Alam mo, pag ang Diyos mo mapanghatol, judgmental, magiging ganun ka eh. You become the God that you worship. So if you worship a God that is judgmental, you will become judgmental. I-correct natin yun. Kunyari, you're in an addiction. Hopefully, you will be healed by God's love, God's mercy, na yun yung matutunan mo na, ay, napaka-merciful ng Diyos. So pag natanggal na yung addiction mo, magiging merciful ka rin. No? Kasi you act like the God that you worship. That's where I have very, very big difficulties with some religious people. Pag nakikita ko silang very self-righteous, no? Ang nakikita ko, ang problema dito, kasi yun ang nakikita nilang Diyos nila. That's the God that they worship, na kailangan i-correct ng konti yung kanilang picture, larawan ng Panginoon.